We're going to start off with the neck warm up and the head warm up. So from the right, we are rotating to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. जब आप rotate करें ना, try to keep your head very not controlled. जितना आप control करेंगे उतना beneficial नहीं है. जितना लूज रखेंगे उतना बेनिफिशियल है. ठीक है, इट्स नॉट अ मैटर ऑफ कंट्रोल, इट इज अ मैटर ऑफ लेटिंग योर हेड रोल ऑन योर ओवर योर बॉटम ऑफ योर नेक. ठीक है, सो बिकॉज इफ यू टेंस योर नर्व्स यू आर नॉट गेटिंग द फुल स्ट्रेच. जितना हो सके उतना स्ट्रेच करें. अदर साइड फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट टू द राइट. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10.
Oh.
Both your hands behind your neck, behind your head, and slowly, very slowly, hang your hands very loose, as if you are putting the pressure. Your hand weight should be the only pressure on the neck. No more pressure than that, and let it hang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Under the chin, slowly press back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Roll your shoulders front to back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back to front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah.
Holding your hand, right hand holds the left hand, and you're gonna hold your body. Waist should be locked. Both the legs should be shoulder level. हाथ अपना आप यहाँ रखेंगे. Slowly twist till you can see. Till you can see the other heel, the other side heel. If you're going from the right side, you should be able to look at your left side heel. Try to twist your body and look at the left side heel. Twist. On the other side, move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, very good. You're going to put both your hands up, hands flat, and try to go down. आप नीचे जाएंगे लेकिन आपके legs जो है shoulder level होने चाहिए. Very slowly, please observe. जितना जा सकेंगे. If those who cannot go down, they will hold it over here. Those who can go down, hold it over here. Those who can go down, hold it over here. Those who can go down, put your hands all the way. Your legs should be on top of your palm and your knees locked. Okay? That's your final goal. आपका goal ये है कि आपके hands should go all the way down. That's so it makes your spine stretch in the front. And when you're going down, no bend, no curling.
Okay.
This way, stretch your spine out. That's the healthy part of the spine. You stretch out, and go down. If you cannot bend down, go onto your knees or your heels. Okay, very good. 1, hold it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Relax. Come on. Up. Immediately you're going back.
Okay.
Very slowly bend back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Forward again. Down.
नहीं Daba, that should be done before lunch.
Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down. 3, third time. Go down.
Oh, yeah.
Down. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Relax.
Yeah.
Take 5 deep breaths. एक चीज नोट करना हमेशा
Yeah.
ये जो knee है locking, try to keep your knee straight even if you're bending halfway down.
Yeah.
जो knee अगर आपने cheat किया तो उसके advantage आपको spine का नहीं मिलेगा.
Oh.
It has to stretch the spine. The
Stretch
key
it.
is the spine, the spine, the spine.
Spine.
पूरी
ये-
जो
ये
दारोमदार है एक्सरसाइज का स्पाइन पे स्पाइन इज कंसिडर्ड टू बी द हिंज ऑफ द डोर जैसे दरवाजे का हिंज होता है ना ये पूरी बॉडी का हिंज
Yeah.
स्पाइन है
Spine.
सो द हेल्दियर द स्पाइन द मोर एक्टिव यू आर
Yeah.
the problem with your spine you will be paralyzed the
Oh.
pain that comes in your body is not mostly from muscle pain is different but mostly जो pain होता है जो paralysis होते हैं spine gets affected that sends the signal down to the different parts of the body
Oh.
this is your central nervous system that controls the entire body ठीक है ना so try and see if अगर आप bend करेंगे knees को तो easy becomes easier for the spine no वो नहीं करना है नीज को लॉक करना है एक लास्ट टाइम ट्राई करेंगे विद लॉकिंग ऑफ द नीज चाहे जितना भी आप जा सके डजंट मैटर वंस मोर हैंड्स अप डाउन लॉक योर नी लॉक योर नी लॉक योर नी लॉक 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 लॉक
Yeah.
एंड देन पुट योर हैंड्स इफ यू कैन जहां तक जा सके लेकिन नी लॉक होना चाहिए 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10
Yeah.
relax
Oh.
Now you see if you see a hamstring
Yeah.
gets pulled, ठीक है?
Yeah.
Hamstring के ऊपर pressure आना बहुत जरूरी है, ठीक है? Please widen your legs as much as you can, and very slowly, you will go down into a sumo squat, लेकिन upper body straight होनी चाहिए, ठीक है?
Okay.
Upper body अगर bend होती है तो फिर अगर you are losing pressure यहाँ आना चाहिए. And very important, and your legs should be 45 degrees. Both your legs should be 45 degrees, and go down. 1, 2, hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax.
Yeah.
Up, down again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sister, आपकी back straight.
Oh.
Back straight. Up slowly.
Oh.
Right. जितना हो सके आपकी back straight रखें. Last time.
Yeah.
All the way down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
10.
Relax. Relax. Please. Now, the brothers will take help of each other.
Yeah.
Okay. So, if you are facing your brother, your partner.
Yeah.
आप अपने हाथ यहाँ रखते कंधे पे and the opposite partner is going to press you down ठीक है आप प्रेशर डालेंगे उस पे and the person is going to rise up तो थोड़ा प्रेशर आना जरूरी है ठीक है ना
For
so put your
for
hand
his
on
father.
put your hand on the partner and try
मुझे पता चल गया करना है.
आप partner से yes pressure लगाना है not to allow the partner to come
Shabisa,
up.
what we have to do? Go down.
Who's going to start? Which part?
Any one partner starts 10 counts. ठीक है ना? 10 counts. 1. Raise your ankle. 2. Go down again and 2.
इस पे रखना है.
Okay.
ऐसे
So आप press कर कोई भी एक partner press कर रहा है. Allow the partner not to come up. The key is.
No, Shabisa, we didn't get it. What to do?
आइए.
जो weak आदमी है उसको
Everybody please pay attention. Everybody please pay attention. आप अपना हाथ यहाँ रखें. ठीक है?
जो weak
Okay. Now. I'm going to be doing the exercise. He's going to allow to resist me. ठीक है? He's going to put his pressure down. I'm going to raise up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. हल्का हल्का नी पे प्रेशर आ
Oh, I got it.
एंकल्स के ऊपर
You have to-
You're putting all the way
उस भाई
up.
आप करेंगे
From the head to the toe.
प्रेशर मैं प्रेशर डालूंगा
Very good. Let's start again.
how
Now
मैं
reverse.
आपको ऊपर नहीं जाना
Reverse the partners. 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
yeah
7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good. Very good. Okay.
now our turn
Okay. मारो. बैठिए. Relax.
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 oh
Brother.
Muso bhai
So, this is a warm up and a very good exercise for the shoulders.
Yeah.
ठीक है? ये यहाँ पे पेन बहुत common है. Right? It is also called frozen shoulder कहे कुछ भी कहे. Shoulder is a very critical part of your body. Just like the knee. So this is a very mild exercise for the shoulder. You yourself can do it. लेकिन अगर partner है तो partner के साथ करेंगे. अगर partner present नहीं है आप खुद कर सकते हैं. It's called isometric exercise where you are applying pressure of your own body. ठीक है? So that no equipment is necessary. Turn around. Let's see. ठीक है? आप अपना हाथ दीजिए. And you're gonna hold your hand like this. ठीक है? And body straight. Facing me.
Butterfly.
ठीक है? Now very carefully, very softly. देखिए. नहीं resist नहीं करो. Slowly. So you're gonna go 1. Now go push slowly. Push. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Light resistance. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Till your shoulder starts hurting. Is hurting? Okay. 9. जो अगर नहीं hurt हो रहा है तो slowly थोड़ा pressure और लगाए. फिर थोड़ा pressure और लगाए. 11. Go.
so this is for shoulders
This is very good for your shoulder. It's also isometric. अभी partner नहीं है घर में. Partner नहीं है. समझे तो आप खुद भी कर सकते हैं. Put your own hand and slowly 1, 2.
Wow.
Resist yourself. 3,
yeah
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Change hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put your pressure. हाथ को आगे मत आने दे. एक हाथ से दूसरे हाथ को आगे मत आने दे. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax.
It's like shoulder blades also.
Yes, everything it works out. It's a good
Yeah.
workout for your entire shoulders, your back, also lower back, and your lats, your lateral muscles. Very important because every day ये problem होती है यहाँ से हमेशा उठानी. ये this part of the body very heavily used, and this part of the body is very heavily used. These are the most abused part of the body that has a lot of surgery. Thank you.
Right.
Okay, so.
good job
अब हम एक्सरसाइज करेंगे आज people have requested that we have to end early because there is a majalis also.
Majalis.
So what we are going to do is it is called planks. Okay, planks जो होता है वो बॉडी अगर आपके शोल्डर के ऊपर है, ऊपर अपर बॉडी के ऊपर मैं आज फोकस कर रहा हूँ, लेस ऑन द लोअर बॉडी. ठीक है, अपर बॉडी इग्नोर हो जाती है. So those who are going to be able to do it will do it on the ground. Some people will be able to do it on the chair. Chair is a very important, your friend, your best friend. ठीक है? तो आप चेयर के ऊपर आप होल्ड करेंगे चेयर को, and your body should become parallel, straight.
Wow.
Meaning not ये हंच नहीं रखना है.
ठीक
ये इसको
Have to be
parallel
straight,
रखना है.
straight.
ठीक है, straight. यहाँ पे ये हंच नहीं होना चाहिए, आगे आना चाहिए. And you should be, your chest should be, and your hands should be aligned. And you're going to hold it, just to hold it. That's it. ठीक है? This is called a plank. होता ये है actually it's on the ground. लेकिन ground पे शायद तकलीफ हो, तो ground level पे अगर hold नहीं कर सकते, तो we are going to do holding on the chair. Very important again for the shoulders, full shoulders to build your upper body. sometimes I rotate. Last time हमने बहुत heavy exercises
Yeah.
lower body की. Today it's more focused on the upper body. ठीक है? तो everybody get up.
Push up.
If you want to,
Okay.
if you want to
Do the
take,
regular
नहीं
plank.
push up नहीं करना है.
अच्छा
सिर्फ hold करना है.
अच्छा होल्ड करना है।
Regular कर सकते हैं if I want to do a regular.
अगर आप जमीन पे कर सकते हैं, well and good.
वेरी गुड
Okay.
Camera
So
shot.
hold your body, hold. दोनों
स्ट्रेट
हाथ आप
स्ट्रेट
रखेंगे.
आपने करके
And extend your legs as much as you can in the back until your body becomes at an angle. No bending your waist. आपकी waist straight होनी चाहिए. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Okay, come up. Relax.
शुभी सर
Next move. हाँ जी.
स्ट्रेस तो नहीं कुछ पड़ा
बहुत अच्छा.
आपने सही नहीं किया होगा
तो मतलब आपने चीट किया है. Okay, next आपको करना है चेयर पे ये लेवल. Now you are putting both your elbows down
दिस वन इज टफ
and you are going this level. ठीक है?
You want to small
Body
guys?
straight.
Come on,
Hold
let's
on.
go.
Be careful. Okay. 1,
कवर
Come on, let's go, Jay.
No, you
3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
दिस वन इज
8,
टफ
9, and 10. Very good. Relax. Walk up.
दिस वन इज टफ
Rotate your heads. Feel relaxed. ठीक है?
Yeah.
Body warm up हो गई है. And you can feel the pressure. Very light exercise. लेकिन ये light भी very important. Now, अगर आप थोड़ा सा heavy करेंगे हम. शिराज भाई कहाँ है?
हाँ
अच्छा. So what you are going to do now is just to test yourself. हाथ को strong करना है. ठीक है? Dumbbells नहीं है, no problem. Isometric exercises can strengthen your hands. तो आप एक हाथ को
नीचे chair पे.
एक हाथ को चेयर पे रखेंगे आप. ठीक है? Second hand जो है आप पीछे रखेंगे and you're gonna balance yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. जितना हो सके इतना. 8, 9, 10. Okay, change hands. Left hand. Body आगे. Move your body forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Relax, relax, relax. Rotate your hands.
Rose करेगा.
Okay. Okay.
दैट्स अ न्यू वन
Okay, अभी एक और ट्राई कर रहे हैं हम. Even a little bit more advanced. इतना मुश्किल नहीं है. Very easy. Okay. What you're going to do is going to go down completely, and you're going to be on your elbows and legs up and straight.
ओह
Plank should be straight. ये नहीं करना है हमको.
नो चेयर
ये भी नहीं करना है. No chair.
नो चेयर सजदा करें
Ready? Ready?
हमारे भाई
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Relax your body.
ये तो मार दिया आपने
Relax. Take 5 deep breaths. नहीं उतना नहीं है. नहीं अभी फिनिश नहीं हुआ है. अब आप दोनों हाथ फ्लैट करें जमीन पे. And slightly try to raise your body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax.
मेरी बेगम उठ गई शराब साहब
Relax. Have a seat.
Oh.
Chair पे बैठिए. Take 10 deep breaths, please. Take 10 deep breaths. Okay. You are challenging your body,
ये
and believe me, आप it's a very ये मुश्किल लगता है, लेकिन it's very important.
Yeah.
It's called planks and it's a very important isometric exercise which allows your entire upper shoulders, arms, forearms, wrist, everything to be strengthened.
Huh?
ठीक है ना? Because आप अपनी पूरी body का weight उठा रहे हैं. So just simple exercises है, लेकिन it makes your body work. Take 10 deep breaths. Okay, very good. थोड़ा सा हम लोअर बॉडी पे जाएंगे. बैठिए, आप चेयर पे बैठिए.
So is that feeling stress on
Good,
shoulder?
very good.
Yeah.
Okay. So आपको very carefully लेग को रेज करना है.
ओए. अच्छा.
ठीक है, लेग को रेज करना है, नीचे से पकड़ना है, यहाँ से. Hold the leg right from here and pull it as far as stretch your leg up. बैठे बैठे ही करना है. Very good. Stretch. जितना हो सके उतना. And slowly straighten it.
ओए. Knee.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sister, very good. 8, 9, very good. 10, bicep, very good.
मेरा ये
रहने दे. Down, relax.
Yeah.
अब बैठे बैठे करना है, इसमें थकाने की जरूरत नहीं है. This is relax. बैठ के करना है. Second leg. Pick your second leg up. Hold it from the front and slowly stretch up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax.
Yeah.
Very good. Relax.
Oh,
Relax.
oh, oh.
Relax. Okay.
Bad leg.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah,
when
I've-
stretching your back also, like I feel the stretching.
It's a very good. Okay. आपको straight बैठना है and watch what I'm doing very carefully. The knees should be shoulder level. Knees should be shoulder level apart. ठीक है, not completely joint apart a little bit. And you have to stretch till your chest is flat and hold your legs from below. Put your hands under your legs and push hard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
ओए. आज तो बड़े हैवी बनाए हुए थे दाल चावल.
मैंने थोड़ा टेम्परेचर भी 76 रखा है. The warmer you are,
हमने बैक टू सैम्पली कर दिया.
okay, hold your chairs. आपकी चेयर की साइड को होल्ड करें आप, प्लीज होल्ड
Yeah.
करें. And both your legs, ठीक है, आप बैठे हुए हैं, both your legs, whichever way you want to pick it up, pick up both your legs, hold your chair and stretch. Keep it parallel to the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Very good. All relax करें. You see the burning over
Yeah.
there, right? हाँ, अच्छा बैठे बैठे आपको अच्छा चले.
नहीं.
एक काम करें, आप अपना पैर ले.
नहीं दादा.
Keep your legs behind your neck. Behind your neck लेना है आपको. ठीक है. Slowly.
मस्जिद अली सर्कस.
आप अपना अंगूठा होल्ड करेंगे. Pull your leg up. Hold your big toe straight, and slowly you're going to stretch it on diagonal sideways.
Oh.
1, in, 2, 3, for your quads.
Am I awake?
4, 5, diagonal जाना है आपको. 6,
नीक.
7,
हैं? Fasting?
8, 9, 10. आप खाना खा के आते हैं. You're not supposed to eat.
वो फुल दाल चावल खिलाए हैं उन्होंने।
सिस्टर ने इतना
खिलाए
खाना
नहीं।
रखा हुआ है यहाँ पे।
हाँ,
चावल की बात नहीं है।
हाँ,
नुमान
हाँ जी, हाँ
किसी ने
जी।
खिलाया नहीं है।
हाँ, वो
रखा हुआ है जबरदस्त।
नहीं रखा तो हुआ था, हमने खाया।
Change legs, please. Left leg.
But Muswai was too good today.
One,
You should eat.
two,
Left leg.
three. Very good. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
आइए आइए आइए
Oh,
I see one brother is already is back to the pavilion.
huh? Back to baby.
क्या हुआ?
He said he did it exercise in the morning.
नहीं, वो आपसे डर के भाग गए। Okay.
पुलिस वाले
Take 5 deep
पक्के
breaths.
पुलिस लगी.
Take 5 deep breaths, please.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, very good. So, upper abdomen. ठीक है? Upper abdomen के लिए exercise है. So, everybody on the floor, please.
Everybody on the
On
floor.
the floor.
Okay.
हाँ, on the floor आना है आपको.
बैठना, बैठ.
हाँ, आप on the floor आ जाइए. Everybody come on the floor, please. Okay. आपको
बैठ.
okay. हाँ.
नीचे जाना.
आपको इस तरह से बैठना है.
आ जाओ।
Please look at me. You have to sit with holding your knees,
Yeah.
holding your knees, ठीक है? And both your legs join, ठीक है?
Wow.
आप अपने दोनों हाथ को नीचे लेंगे and lock your hands underneath. Okay. Lock your hands under your legs. अब आपको challenging बताता हूँ मैं. Slowly आपको leg को उठाना है. And hold. It's called Mahasan. Let's
It's a
go.
challenge.
Pick up your legs.
हाँ.
1,
ओए.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
कबीर साहब हमसे नीचे नहीं लाई जाएंगी लेग.
8, 9, and 10. Relax.
कबीर साहब
Okay.
करना है.
Very good. ठीक है? हो गया. There you go.
1,
Okay.
6, 7, 8,
Try
9, 10.
again. 10 more counts. Slowly pick up your legs. Roll back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax.
Oh, good.
Relax.
आसिफ साहब आ जाओ.
बैठे रहे, नीचे बैठे रहे. Everybody, please.
अब्बास भाई अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
Both your legs should be spread up forward.
योगा स्पेशलिस्ट आ गए हैं.
Join your legs. Please join your legs. And देखिए आप, this is very important exercise
Yeah.
for your spine. ठीक है?
Yeah.
Back के लिए. अब आप टीवी देख रहे हैं, बैठे हैं. Try to hold your legs. ऐसे exercise करते रहें कभी भी. Sitting on
आ
the
जाओ
ground
आसिफ
is
साहब.
very important.
मैं क्या हूँ योगा
हम
स्पेशलिस्ट आ
नीचे
गए.
बैठना भूल गए हमारे काम. ठीक है? So what you're going to do is slowly you're going to just lean forward. सिर्फ lean करना है हमें. Lean. Just lean. ठीक है? Now grab your feet like I'm holding it. ठीक है? And slowly pull. Pull. जितना pull हो सके pull करो. And hold it there. 1,
ओए.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
ओए.
Relax. Both your hands in the back. Relax. ठीक है? Touch हो जाता है? Okay, relax. Take 5 deep breaths. हमारे भाई साहब कहाँ चले गए?
कौन से वाले
एक भाई साहब रिटायर्ड ऑलरेडी.
हैं? एक और आ गए हैं.
अच्छा. Welcome. ठीक है. Okay, slowly. Once again, lean forward. Grab your legs.
ओए.
And slowly try to pull yourself forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, आप चेयर पर भी कर सकते हैं 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 relax 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 very good okay एक last exercise है very simple exercise very important it is called a body twist ठीक है तो हम उसको लाइट फॉर्म में करेंगे दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एक्सरसाइज सो व्हाट आई वांट लाइक यू टू डू इज योर राइट लेग ठीक है आप राइट लेग को लेफ्ट लेग के अंदर ले लेंगे फोल्ड इट ठीक है आपका लेफ्ट लेग जो है जितना हो सके यू गोना टेक इट ऑन द अदर साइड ठीक है
ये तो लॉक लग गया
राइट तो ये राइट लेग नीचे आ गया ठीक है लेफ्ट लेग यहाँ आ गया ठीक है अब आप जो है आप you're holding your knee and you're gonna twist and go look towards the back and hold it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 relax relax change your legs right leg inside जितना हो सके right leg and grab the right leg grab it with your hand increasing your flexibility of your spine बैठने में बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता है this relieves you and you're going to turn 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 very good we are now going to अच्छा आज जल्दी एंड करने का है so we are coming close to ending
close to the end
why did the sister go away sister
she said she has enough exercise
उसका मियाँ भी चला गया
yeah
चीटिंग नहीं होगी भाई
नहीं आपको भी बुला रहा हूँ मैं आपको
भी बुला रहे हैं
What happened?
वो बोल रही है मैं 55 से कम हूँ
आपके हस्बैंड किधर है कॉप
वहाँ पे वो पीछे चुके
हैं
okay total silence please total silence we are going to get into breathing exercise आपको रिलैक्स बैठना है जिस तरह से बैठ सके comfortable the key is to keep your spine erect
yeah
your spine should be slouching because when you slouch your spine your lungs don't get the proper air
Yeah.
ठीक है आपको सीधा बैठना है and the first thing is the cleansing or strengthening of the lungs ठीक है right so इसमें कभी कभी it will flow the dirt out but it happens so आपको करना ये है please look at नहीं stop follow what I'm doing you don't have to breathe in you just have to breathe out breathe in body खुद करेगी ठीक है and your focus should be on your abdomen ठीक है तो आप आईज क्लोज करेंगे लेकिन आपका फोकस होगा एब्डोमेन पे और ये है देखिए
जो नहीं करा वो भी आई क्लोज करें
यस देखिए आप प्लीज गाइस एवरीबॉडी हेलो एवरीवन
Yeah.
प्लीज कीप calm and quiet breathing exercise is relaxing and is the best time you can do it at night on the bed before you go to sleep it's a very healthy thing so what we are doing is देखिए आपको रिट्रैक्ट करना है एब्डोमेन दिस इंप्रूव्स द लंग
Make sure
लंग की
ऊपर के
पावर ब्रीथ कर रहे हैं ओके इंप्रूव्स योर लंग
ऊपर
पावर
के मुंह से
सो रिमेंबर आपने देख सुना होगा भाई ऑक्सीजन
Yeah.
कम हो गया when the person was sick and the person passes away oxygen कम होना means the lungs collapse because lung को कभी कोई एक्सरसाइज करवाता ही नहीं है
oh
at least do you guys go running 1 mile every day no नहीं so lung की एक्सरसाइज कब होती है कभी नहीं होती right very rarely so this is an internal body exercise where you're making your lungs stronger ठीक है so what you're going to do is watch and learn you are only focusing on the exhalation of the breath not on the inhalation. ठीक है? So, and you don't have to be speedy. Fast करने की जरूरत नहीं. You can take a break in every breath. हम 10 breathing करेंगे. Okay? So I'm going to show you what I'm doing first. You can watch. I'm doing 5 breaths. Please don't start. First, just watch. अब जब जैसे प्रैक्टिस आपकी बढ़ती जाए, then you can go faster. I'll also show you the faster, but you don't have to go so fast. This is just to show you how eventually you're gonna lead over there once the practice, आपकी strength बढ़ती चली जाएगी. So you're gonna be doing.
हवा भर देगा.
This is very important. ये critical breath is the most critical. आपका मैं नाक बंद कर दूँ, आप 10 सेकंड में you are gonna pass out.
Yeah.
Okay, so breathing is very important. Okay, so let us start. Eyes closed and 10 counts. Focus on the breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Very good. Now, आपको 2 fingers, first 2 fingers को fold करना है. Thumb and third finger open रखना है. ठीक है? It is called in yoga called Anulom Vilom, meaning it is a very very powerful breathing exercise to calm your mind. For blood pressure patients, I'm sure some people have blood pressure, high blood pressure. This is the key to lowering your blood pressure and calming yourself down. ठीक है? So ये मुद्रा है, right? They call it mudra in the Sanskrit. So आपको करना ये है कि ये आपका जो फिंगर है, ठीक है? आपके नोज की जो हड्डी जहाँ एंड होती है, उसके नीचे रखना है to close the nose. देखिए, not on the bone, below edge of the bone, ताकि आप breathing को lock कर सके.
Does it matter which side, left
No.
or right?
Well, this one goes on the left, and the thumb will go on the right. ठीक है? तो right से आपको right nostril control करेंगे, left से left ये finger से आप left nostril control करेंगे. ठीक है? Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. And it should be right below the where the bone ends. ठीक है? Right? तो आप देखिए, what you will do is first just relax and watch. ठीक है? ये आपने कर लिया. You are going to breathe in. You're going to choke your left nostrils and you're going to breathe in from the right. Lock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 सेकंड के लिए lock. You're going to open up your left nostril and breathe out. ठीक है? ठीक है? Okay, let's try this. Let's try this again. Left nostril closed. First, you're going to breathe in from the right. Lock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds closed. Now slowly lock your right nostril, open your left. Breathe out from your left. You getting the hang of it?
Yeah.
It's slow. You have to practice it.
Yeah.
Extremely important for blood pressure patients.
Yeah.
It lowers your blood pressure, gives you control, calms your mind down.
What is this called?
Anulom Vilom. Okay, this is practiced thousands of years back, and you can reduce. अब इससे क्या होता है कि as you practice it, there will come a time
Sri Lanka.
where you will be lowering your actual heartbeat. You will not realize it. You don't need to. But आप अपना heartbeat low करते जा रहे हैं ठीक है? So there is less pressure and you are increasing the flow of oxygen. Increasing the, because normally when we are breathing, we are doing shallow breaths, right? We are doing shallow breathing. But when we are practicing this, we are optimizing full capacity of your lungs to take in oxygen and full capacity of the lungs to exhale carbon dioxide. So इससे क्या होता है? Purification of your blood. The blood purifier is the lung is the blood purifier. That's how you purify your blood. You are reaching it in oxygen and pushing out the carbon. ठीक है? ये हम normally कितना लंबा सांस होता है हमारा normally? Hardly, we don't even realize it. But this increases the power. So let's try again. With me. Okay? Eyes closed and lock your right nostril or left nostril. Left nostril को आप बंद रखें with your finger and breathe in from the right. In, lock. दोनों nostril lock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left nostril खोलिए. Slowly breathe out. Now you will breathe in from the left nostril. Breathe in from the left nostril. Lock. Lock both. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out from the right nostril. Or release your right nostril. Okay. अब ये holding क्या है? Holding जो है, it's called, I will just give you a light scenario. Okay? It's a very deep science which is called Kumbhak meditation. Very, very deep science. But I am giving you a small scenario. होता क्या है? जब हम 5 सेकंड के लिए breath बंद करते हैं, there is no oxygen going in. ठीक है? And you are locking yourself. ठीक है? Your brain says breath बंद हो गया. ठीक है? It says there is no oxygen coming in. What's happening? All the brain starts. भाई अगर हम ये कहें, अगर मैं कहूँ, अरे fire, 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 क्या करेंगे आप? Everybody will get alert and say, कहाँ है fire? Let's go. But somebody did not react. Like ऐसा बैठे ही रहे, क्योंकि दाल चावल खा के आया, ये बैठे ही रहे. So what I was going to say, भाई साहब ये क्यों बैठे रहे? सब उठ के भाग रहे थे, ये बैठे रहे. Okay. The brain identifies those dead cells which don't react.
That's
When those cells are identified, the brain marks it कि ये सेल को कभी ना कभी रिपेयर करना है. अगर ब्रेन अपने सेल्स को रिपेयर करना बंद कर दे, उसे कहते हैं अल्जाइमर्स एंड डिमेंशिया.
क्या होगा?
So dementia and brain Alzheimer आप डिस्कवर कर रहे हैं लोग कि भाई डॉक्टर्स they are trying to research. बहुत रिसर्च हो रही है बीच पे. सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम अभी यही है कि भाई ये डिमेंशिया एंड हाउ डू वी कंट्रोल इट. द कंट्रोल आप कैसे करेंगे? We don't know. Why is this holding of the breath? So they just found out in MIT. Okay, MIT के अंदर जो रिसर्च हो रही थी, they found out that holding, please don't go and start holding your breath, okay?
Yeah.
Not more than 5 seconds, okay? Not more than 5 seconds. But there are people who hold their breath. I mean, I practice up to 45 seconds to a minute, but that's different. Okay, I've been doing it for years. But when you hold your breath, oxygen stops. Brain goes in overdrive. Identifies there is no oxygen. All cells को कहता है oxygen नहीं है. जो सेल रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं करता है, उसको वो मार्क करता है कि ये सेल ने रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं किया, मुझे कुछ गड़बड़ लग रही है, इसको बदलना है, या तो इसका माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया खत्म हो गया, समथिंग इज हैपनिंग. यस, सो देन इट आइडेंटिफाइज लाइक अ टीचर आइडेंटिफाइज अ स्टूडेंट कि ये स्टूडेंट नहीं रिस्पॉन्ड कर रहा है मेरे क्लास में, एंड देन नेक्स्ट क्लास में इसको गिरा के यू रिप्लेस इट. द प्रॉब्लम इज दैट द रिप्लेसमेंट ऑफ द सेल्स इज नॉट हैपनिंग. That is why when you try to recall memory, you cannot recall. That is the problem. So if this is a practice allows your brain to refresh and fire up all the engines. So let's do it 3 more times and we'll end. Okay. Right nostril, Left nostril closed, right nostril open. ठीक है? Breathe in. Deep breath. Lock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly breathe out from the left. Now breathe in from the left. Lock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open your right nostril, holding the left nostril down. Slowly breathe out. Breathe out, out, out. Breathe in from the right. Lock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open your left nostril, holding your right down. Breathe out. Last
So
count.
what is the purpose of doing like this? Why can't we just?
You can, but there is a special लंबा मुद्रा है. आपको मुद्रा की मैं डिटेल्स बाद में बताऊंगा. आपने जो क्वेश्चन पूछा है ना, मैं वही सोच रहा हूँ कि आज क्वेश्चनिंग क्यों नहीं हो रहा.
इंस्ट्रक्शन के साथ बिठाया उसको.
एक last count, let's go in. This way also you can breathe, but there is a reason why this mudra is kept. Okay, once more. Breathe in, lock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly breathe out. Very good. Rub your hands, especially your end of your palms. Create some heat and very slowly heat. इतना heat क्या गर्म जैसे जल रहा है आपका हाथ. और hold it against your eyes. Close your eyes and slowly rub that heat up to down, up from the top to down movement. Top to down movement. For dry eyes and eyes weakening, this is an excellent thing. So if you rub your hands, you create the heat. It is called, आप जो कहते हैं ना, जो hot, आपको आई डॉक्टर कभी कभी कहता है कि आप गर्म पानी इसमें ये करके निचोड़ के आप क्या कहते हैं उससे hot compress. Hot, this is a natural hot compress which people knew 1,000 years back. ठीक है? So when the heat comes in your hand, especially this part, आप ऊपर से नीचे उसको lightly massage करें आपके eyes को. With the heat, what happens is your tear glands which dries up. Every time you do this, there's a tear gland which ejects water with oil in it, percentage of oil to keep the lubrication of the eye. वो dry होते चले जाता है. तो जब आप उसको heat देते हैं ना, तो वो cells regenerate होते हैं, and it allows the oil to come out, so that the lubrication happens fine and you will not get dry eyes and pain in the eye.
सवाल आ रहा है. I can see her face.
हाँ जी.
पूछ ले. नहीं आ रहा भाई.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
We have all solution in house.
Good. Yeah, perfect.
Body
I like it. I'm wearing it.
Body heals itself.
The thing is,
When they
So,
तो शबीर साहब आपने वो आसन क्यों नहीं किया?
Yeah, I understand the business as well. Yeah, I get it.
जब भी इंजरी होती है
And
ना,
I know.
जब भी इंजरी होती है, people say, अरे बादाम खिलाओ, दूध खिलाओ, हल्दी डालो.
बताओ खिलाओ.
Total wrong. ये तो myth है.
ये समझ आइए बादाम खिलाओ.
It is actually because when the body does not receive that
Okay, Lottie, you want to share and join
My heart
us?
stop was 3:30.